Hello, in this video we will create a linked list program in Python. So what is linked list here? Linked list is a part of a data structure. What is data structure? A data structure represents logical arrangements of elements in memory. Logical arrangements memory in a particular model. This linked list, tags, and queues and dequeues are important data structures which are mostly used in software. A linked list contains a group of elements in the form of nodes. So what are nodes here? Nodes nothing but here. You can observe the diagram. This is a single nodes here. Okay. This in this link data link here is there. So these different nodes. There are 5 nodes are there here. So a linked list with several nodes here. So in each node we will have a data field that contains data. Okay. Each node we have data field that contains data, and link is there. A link field that contains reference to the previous node. Okay, another link field that contains reference to the next node, like this, previous node and the next node, right? And link fields here, link field store references memory locations, that is, so these link fields are useful to move from one node to another node in the linked list so that any operation can be done in minimum amount of time here. Okay, linked list is very convenient to store data. The operations like inserting and removing, searching of an element are done very quickly and almost in the same amount of time. Linked list is one of the fastest data structure, hence linked list is used where time critical operations are to be performed. So to perform linked list operations, you have to know some methods. Okay, you have to know some methods to perform this linked list operations. So first, if you want to traversing the linked list, means this means visiting every node and displaying the data. We have to visit every node and have to display the data on the node. So how it possible? You can use for loop and while loop. Okay, to traverse these different nodes you have to use a for loop or while loop also, like this, for element in the list, print element. Okay, so appending the elements to the linked list. How you append element to the linked list? Example we'll see. Okay, for example, suppose you take any list here. List is equal to 1 comma 5 comma 6. Okay, 7, whatever. Just print given list. Right, this is normal given list. Okay, so I want to add a element to a list. Okay, I want to add a element to the end of the list. That means you have to use append method here. Just use append method, simple list dot append any element. Okay, you can add a string also. List accepts any data type here, string or character, whatever. Okay, so now observe here, print list, simple append adds element to the end of the list. Okay, appends adds element at the end of the list here, right? You can observe 1 2 3 5 7. Okay, if you want to add any other number, suppose 8, I want to add it, right? Observe 8 here. Okay, so append adds element to the end of the list here, adds the element at the end of the list. Okay, but I don't want to add element at the end of the list. I want to add the element at particular position. Okay, like in the second position or third position or fourth position. For that you have to use insert method. Okay, insert method, and two parameters are there. First parameter is the position, which position you want to enter an element. I want to enter it second position. Okay, so then second parameter, which element you want, means I want to enter fourth element at second position. I want to enter 4 element at second position. That means index is a 0 position here. Index starts from 0. 1 is 0th position, 5 is 1 position, and 6th is the second position here. Okay, so now observe the output here. See, 1 5 4 here, 6 7. Okay, so I want to add 4 element at third position. Okay, observe. See, 1 5 6 4 7. 1 5 6 third position, 7th is the third position here. 1 5 6 4 7, right? And I want to add element at first position. Observe 1 5 6 7 given list. First position means 5th is the first position. 1 4 5 6 7. I want to add a string here. Okay, I want to add any character or string, right, or something Python. Okay, at first position. See, 1 Python 5 6 7. Okay, first parameter is the position, second parameter is what element you want to enter into the list here. Okay, first one is the position here. Which position? Index position. Index starts from the 0, and I want to enter a third position. Suppose I want to enter this element at third position. See 156 third, okay, 0 1 2 3 third position here, okay, index starts from 0. So like that, insert, you can use insert position. If you want to enter element at particular position, use insert method, okay. Next I want to know the index of 7. I want to know the index of 7. Suppose if you want to know the index of 7, just you have to use the index method. Simple. Just you have to use the insert method. List dot index of 7, right? See third position, okay. So I want to know what is the index of 5. Just enter 5 here, okay. One position, okay. 1/5 by 8, one position, right? So like that, if you want to know the index of the element, just use the index method here. And to append the element at the end of the list, use append method. And to insert element at particular position, use insert method, okay. So next, if you want to remove, I want to remove 7, I want to remove this 7 element, okay, you have to use remove method for that. Remove method, okay, just use remove, right. Just remove list dot remove, so element value 7, okay, I want to remove 7. Just print list here, okay. See 156, okay, remove 7 here. And if I want to remove at particular position, I want to remove with index, okay. So to remove with index, you have to use pop method, okay. Pop method, simple, list pop, okay. What is the index of 7? 3 here, okay, 3, right, 3, okay. Print list, see 156, okay. And I want to remove 6 element, okay, I want to remove 6 here. 6 is which position? Second position. 2, okay, observe here, 157, 157, right. And pop method removes and returns value, okay. So it also returns value. Pop method removes and returns value, remember that one, okay. And if you want to know the length of the list, just you have to use length method, length comma length and list here, 4 here, okay. Now we create a linked list program, okay, a Python program to create a linked list and perform operations on the list, okay. So for that, first you have to take empty list here, take empty list, right, and append with some string here, okay. Append with some elements, append some elements here. To append some elements, first one, suppose take India here, India, right. Another element means adding element to the end of the list here, okay. China, another element, USA, okay. So check if you want to check the given, if you want to know the elements given list, right, comma list, okay. Okay, India, China, USA, okay, we created list here. Now take choice variable here, choice is equal to 0, and create menu. What is menu? What is menu means, just observe, this is a menu here. So this is a menu here. So menu nothing but, suppose if you click on, if you choose choice equal to 1, you have to add an element, means appending an element. Suppose if you choose choice equal to 2, we have to remove element. Choice equal to 3, replace an element. If choice equal to 4, search an element. If it is 5, exit it, okay. So we have just, this is a menu here. First we have to take an initial variable choice equal to 0. So if choice less than 5, we have to traverse to the node now. So to do that, we have to use the while loop here, while choice less than 5. So these are the menu. If you choice equal to 1, if you choose 1, you have to add element. 2 means this remove element, okay, these things, okay. Choice, we have taken this 1 2 3 4 from the keyboard. We have to take these choices from the keyboard. Int input, enter a choice. Now we have to write if loop, if choice is equal to 1, right, choice is equal to 1, enter element, okay, we have to add element now, and element is equal to input. Okay, enter element here. Okay, and so I don't want append element, I want to enter element at particular position. So just select position also. So int input, right, enter an element. Okay, enter at position, enter position. So position means we have to use insert method. Okay, L1 dot insert. Insert method first parameter is a position, second parameter is a, here not L1 here, LST. First parameter is a position, second parameter is a element. Okay, insert method, you know, right? Choice, we are adding element. Okay, choice equal to means remove element. Okay, you have to use elif loop here in Python. Choice is equal to 2. Right, try means put this in try block, put the code in, element is equal to which element you want to remove, input enter element, right, means 2 means removing element. Okay, to remove element we have to use remove method. So which element you want to remove, so ls t dot remove, which element you want to remove, just element here. Okay, write that element, right, which element you want to remove. Suppose if element not found, we have to write in the except block, except element not found. Okay, if element not found, just print here element not, put this in try block and catch block, means except block here, element not found, right. Next, choice equal to 3. What's the choice equal to 3? Replacing element. So replacing element, there is no method in the Python, but we can remove the element and insert. We can use 2 methods here to replace element. You can use remove method and insert method. Okay, to replace an element. There is no direct method is there in Python, but you can use 2 methods to replace an element. So for that, elif choice equal to 3. Choice equal to 3. I think no need of the brackets here. Right. So write element and which element we want to replace it, just enter that element, enter new element here. Okay, to replacing element, enter replace element, enter new element, right. First, to replace element we have to use remove method or pop method also, you can remove it, use it. Okay, position is equal to which position means which element you want to replace it, input position, you have to write it input at what position, at what position you want to replace element, at what position. Right, and first use pop method here, pop method pass position means it removes element. Okay, at position, that position removes that element and we have to replace now. Okay, just use insert method, lst dot insert method, right, that position you can insert the method now, position comma element, that's it. Next, choice equal to 4, searching an element. Searching an element nothing but the use index method. Okay, simple. Elif choice equal to 4. Element is equal to input, enter element to search. Okay, and put in try block if element not found. Okay, to try block just position is equal to list dot index. Okay, we have to use index here and pass the element there. Okay, just you will get the position now. Okay, now we get the position now. Print element found at position, element found at position. Yes, okay. Right, next write in the except block. If element not found, write in the except block. Except block value error. Value error and write any element not found. Okay, print element not found. Right, else break. Simple, else break and print list. Okay, list element equal to list elements list here. Okay, so that's simple. Okay, so we are first we have to write the menu in the while loop, and according to that while loop we have to follow the choices here. Okay, if we choose choice 1, we have to add element using insert method, and if you choose second position you have to remove element. If you choose third position, replacing element. Replacing element means we have to remove the element and we have to insert method. Okay, using insert method you have to use replace an element. Fourth, searching element. Fifth, exit here. Okay, simple. So just execute it. Right, enter choice 1. I'm adding element 1, so just write Russia here. Okay, no need of it takes string here. Okay, Russia. Enter position 0 1 2 3, third position. Okay, say India, China, USA, Russia. Right, and next remove. I want to remove element here. Remove element, enter choice 2. Remove element, I want to remove Russia. See, gone. Next, replacing element. Replacing element, I want to replace China with Russia. Okay, to just use choice 3 and at what position? 0, what's first position. See, enter India, Russia, USA. And next, such an element here. I want to search India here. Okay, fourth. Enter fourth and pass India. Okay, enter searching an element. Okay, right, again search fourth India. Right, element found at 0 position. India is at 0 position. You can check it. See, element found at position 0. Okay, so now I want to exit it. 5y is exit here. Okay, okay, so like that, simple one. adding, indexing, searching. To replace an element in Python, there is no direct method. You have to use two methods to replace method. First, you have to use remove method, and next you have to use insert method, okay, to replace an element. So that's it. And let's start simple, just adding element, appending, replacing, removing, searching, right? So simple linked list. Next we will see the stack one, okay. Stack is different one. Just go through this theory. Linked list contains a group of elements in the form of nodes here, okay. Just remember, that's it.